Welcome to the wonderful world of air travel. Today we're exploring the art of preparation for an upcoming flight. This is Air Travel 101, preparing for your first flight. Picture this. You're about to embark on a journey, and the first step is to gather all the necessary travel documents. Ensure your passport and tickets are valid and within easy reach when needed. No one wants to rummage through bags at check-in. The next step is packing. It's an art and a science. Keep liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag and avoid sharp objects in your carry-on luggage. Traveling light makes security checks a breeze. Comfort is key when flying. Dress in layers to adjust to temperature changes during the flight, and remember, shoes that slip on and off easily are a traveler's best friend at security checks. Before leaving home, weigh your luggage. Airlines are strict about weight limits, and it's better to be safe than sorry. A luggage tag with your contact information can prevent mix-ups. Time is of the essence when flying. Arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before departure. This provides ample time for check-in, security, and locating your gate. Once you've passed security, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the airport layout. Knowing the location of restrooms, restaurants, and your gate can save you precious time. Consider downloading the airport's app for easy navigation. At the gate, stretch those legs, hydrate, and charge your devices. If you need any assistance during the flight, now is a good time to let the airline staff know. Boarding time is an exciting moment. Listen carefully to announcements and follow the airline staff's instructions. Keep your boarding pass and ID handy. Once on board, locate your seat and stow your carry-on luggage. Take a moment to review the safety card and note the emergency exits. Safety first, always. During the flight, keep hydrated, move around when possible, and enjoy the in-flight entertainment. Questions or need assistance? Flight attendants are there to help. And there you have it, the art of preparing for a flight. From gathering your travel documents to packing, dressing comfortably, arriving early, familiarizing yourself with the airport, boarding, and finally, enjoying the flight. We hope this information helps you feel confident and prepared for your upcoming journey. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until then, happy travels.